Air bubbles can sometimes appear during the installation process, but don't worry, we'll show you how to fix it. There are 3 main reasons why air bubbles occur: a dusty installation area, unclean glass, and applying the smart film too quickly. Watch our video on preparing for smart film installation to prevent future air bubbles. Also, although installing smart film is easy, it's important to go slow and ensure the smart film is properly adhered before moving on to the next section. Step 1. Mark the area. Grab a marker and gently circle the areas where the bubbles are. Keeping track helps ensure you don't miss any. Step 2. Inspect and clean. First, carefully peel the film away from the glass, avoiding excessive bending, as this can cause permanent creases. Next, identify where the issue lies: on the film, the glass, or both. If you find debris on the film, gently use a piece of sticky tape or a lint roller to lift off any particles. If the problem is on the glass, lightly scrape off any stubborn residue with a blade, then use sticky tape to pick up any remaining debris. This thorough cleaning ensures a smooth, clean base for reapplication. Step 3. Reapply the film. When reapplying the film, take control of the process to avoid any automatic sticking, which can trap air. Go slowly, aligning and smoothing the film inch by inch to ensure a thorough bubble-free adhesion. This careful handling helps maintain the film's integrity and appearance. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily remove dust and air bubbles from smart film and ensure a smooth, bubble-free installation. Remember to always take your time during the installation process and follow proper cleaning procedures to prevent air bubbles from forming in the first place.